Hey, good morning, guys. I'm contemplating what, if I was in your shoes, what would I want to have in front of me come test time? It's just what's on my mind this morning. And so I'm going to run through that. I'm going to run through that. And just, yeah. So in front of me, I have this whiteboard that you guys are going to see. And whatever I write down, man, that is what I would have on a single page to reference to. Okay. So I'm going to go formulas, and then I'm going to go like 3 examples. Okay. So I'm going to go circumference, which is pi times diameter. I'm going to go area of a circle, which is pi times the radius squared. I'm going to go volume of a cone, no, cylinder, my bad, which is pi times the radius squared times the height, okay, which is the area of the circle times the height. I'm going to go, now I'm going to go volume of a cone, which is pi times the radius squared times the height divided by 3. And finally, I'm going to go volume of sphere, which I'm going to write, I'm going to write it how we plug it into the calculator, because I think that's key. 4 times pi times the radius to the third divided by 3. It's still got that 4/3 in there, but it'll help me stay how I want to stay. Okay. So if I've got a cylinder and it tells me the radius is, let's say, 3 inches and the height is 5 inches, then I'm going to look at bringing that over, and I'm going to go 3.14 times 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, times 5. I'm going to plug that into my calculator. And it's going to give me, I don't know what it's going to give me, but it's going to give me inches to the third power or cubic inches. Okay. And then if I have a cone, just draw a line here. If I have a cone, where again we'll make the radius 3 inches and the height 5 inches. Okay. Now I'm going to pull this formula over, and I'm going to go 3.14 times 3 squared times 5, and then I'm going to divide it all by 3. And again, it's still going to give me inches to the third or cubic inches. Okay. And now, if I have a sphere with a radius of, I'm going to go 6 inches. I'm going to take this guy right down here because that's my formula. And in my calculator, I'm going to go 4 times 3.14 times 6 to the third, which is 6 times 6 times 6. I'm going to divide that all by 3. And whatever that number is, it's still going to be inches to the third power or cubic inches. Okay? I hope that helps. That is what I would have in front of me.